Hey developers, how are you all? I am Ashok and welcomes you in this video. In this video, we are going to learn about 11 most important methods of JavaScript. So let's start without any delay. So for example, we are having this array of Google products and we will start by map method. For that, I have to define one function. The name is add string. It will take one input and it will return like input plus is useful. So I am taking one new array. The name is new array. And what we are going to do here, like Google products dot map and the method name. So now we will see console.log new array. So see, like it is coming here. You can see like is useful is concatenated with the input. So like map method creates a new array from calling a function for every array element. So guys, this is the first method. Second method we can talk like filter. So filter method creates a shallow copy of a portion of a given array, like filtered down to just the element from the given array that pass the test elemented by the provided function. For example, console.log Google products dot filter. Here we are taking x tends to x is not equals to, for example, Chrome. So see, the output will come without Chrome. So yeah, that is the filter method. It is filtering the given array on the basis of some input whatever we are providing. So third method guys, we can talk about like index of. So let me show you by consoling on Google products dot index of, I want index of Chrome. So it is coming 2 0 1 2. So the index method returns the position of the first occurrence of a value in a string or like string array. It returns like, for example, we are not giving any value, so it returns -1 here. So all these methods are case sensitive. Guys, fourth method we can talk like that is last index of. For example, I am mentioning here and I want like last index of the value Chrome. It is coming 2 like 0 1 2. And if we have Chrome 2 times, then it will give the last index, that is 5. It is coming on the 5th position. So last index method returns the index, or we can say position of the last occurrence of a specified value in a string. The last index method return the index from the beginning, means the position 0. And last index method returns again like -1 if we are not giving any string under that, under the last index, means the value is blank. The next method we can talk, that is at. So at takes an integer value and returns the item at that index. It allows for positive and negative integers, like for example we are putting here -1. So -1, it will give the last value of this array, that is Google Photos. For example, I am giving here 2. So 2 is 0 1 2, that is Chrome. 6 methods in our list is includes. So what include method is? Include method returns true if a string contains a specified string. So in our this string array, for example, we are testing Android is there or not, then we will test by includes. So it is coming true. For example, we are giving something else like this, so it is coming false. So this gives a boolean value like true or false on the basis of the array is containing that specific element or not. Seventh method, guys, we can talk about slice. So slice method returns selected elements in an array as a new array. Means this method selects from a given start up to a given end. So for example, here I am starting from 2 and I am going up to 5. So it is starting from here 0, 1, 2, that is Chrome, and it is going up to 5, fifth element, that is Google for Education. So this slice method does not change the original array. This slice method is like developers are using like very widely. It is very important method. So eighth method we are going to talk about, that like join. For example, we are putting join on any array. So if we are like just giving blank, then it will join with by default comma, and if we are giving some other character, then it will join the array with that character. Like I am giving this hyphen, so our output array is coming with the hyphen. So like we can say like join method returns an array as a string. Any separator can be specified, but the default is comma separator. Ninth method in my list is, that is very simple, that is concat. So concat method concatenates, or we can say join two or more arrays. It returns a new array like containing the joined arrays. The method does not change the existing array. So for example, I am giving here like Yahoo. So if you'll see the output, then Yahoo is added with that array. So that is simply joining the two, we can say the two arrays. Yeah, so guys, 10th method we can talk about, very basic, that is reverse method. So what reverse method is doing, like it reverses the order of the elements in an array. The reverse method overwrites the original array. Like our array was this, Google Ads was at the 0th position, but now it is on the last position, and Google Photos are coming on the first position, that is the 0th position. So this is very basic method. Actually we I think we already know about this. The last method, that is 11th method, we can talk about fill method. So this fill method fills specified element in an array with a value. The fill method overrides the original array. For example, I am giving here Yahoo Mail. So what this fill is doing, it is overwriting the existing array with Yahoo Mail. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this will be very helpful for you. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe. Thank you.